Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Snapseed photo editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Snapseed is a professional photo editing app developed by Google, providing users with a wide range of tools to enhance and creatively edit photos. The app includes features such as selective adjustments, filters, healing tools, brush editing, HDR effects, perspective correction, and support for raw images. Users can apply preset styles or manually fine-tune images for precise control over brightness, contrast, and color. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is highly regarded for its intuitive interface, extensive toolset, and non-destructive editing workflow, which allows users to make changes and revert them at any stage. Both beginners and advanced photographers can achieve professional quality results. Offline editing capability makes it convenient for on-the-go photo enhancement. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users may find certain advanced features overwhelming at first. The app focuses solely on photo editing, so video editing is not supported. Additionally, Snapseed lacks integrated cloud backup, requiring manual saving and exporting of images. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Snapseed app may be worth using if you're looking for a versatile, free, and powerful mobile photo editor. It excels in precision, variety of tools, and offline functionality. However, if you need video editing or automated cloud backup, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.